This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming both SIMs can receive SMS and calls. This is essential for verification. Install the latest WhatsApp version, and once done, back up your primary account to Google Drive or iCloud so you don't lose chats. Make sure you know which number you want tied to which device or profile. This choice affects contacts and backups. If you use one phone with two SIMs, prepare to add a second account or use WhatsApp Business. I'll show you why and how next. You then install WhatsApp Business alongside regular WhatsApp if you're on one device. This gives you two active accounts. Open the new app, enter the second number, and verify it with the SMS or call code. Choose call if SMS fails. Once verified, restore any existing backup linked to that number or start fresh. Make sure to assign distinct notification tones and check storage settings so media doesn't overwrite the other account's files. This keeps personal and secondary chats separated and manageable. Finish by customizing profiles and notification sounds so you instantly know which account is active. This reduces mistakes when messaging. Then schedule backups for each account independently and confirm they complete successfully to avoid data loss. If verification or message delivery fails, retry using a call code, toggle airplane mode, or briefly move the SIM to another phone to receive the code. These steps resolve most connectivity glitches. If problems persist, check carrier settings and WhatsApp's permission to access SMS and phone functions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.